Hello, Miss Carlton's class. Welcome to your writing lesson for the week. We are going to start with a new mentor text and a new skill, writing about the past. You're going to be working to describe the actions of people from true stories. So we're going to start with our mentor text for today, which you can find in your student guided practice book. So we're going to start with a little bit of vocabulary. What do you see happening here? This is a place called a canyon. A canyon is a deep valley with high sides. This is actually the canyon of the Colorado River. It spans or reaches across 2 states. But my question is, how do you think we get to the other side? Take a second and ponder, how do you think people get from one side of the canyon to the other? Well, you're going to read about this particular canyon in the article From Here to There about a bridge that was built across the Colorado River. And think about how difficult it would be to build a bridge connecting 2 huge mountain ranges across a wide canyon. So as you read your mentor text in your student books, I want you to think about those 5 W's and the H as you read. Think about the who, the what, the when, the where, the why, and the how. And as you read with your pencil, you might mark those things as you go, because we'll be talking about them in our next class. You can pause the video now to listen to the recording of the text, to read on your own, but either way, we want you to read along in your student book with a pencil so that you can mark the who, what, when, where, why, and how as you read. You are welcome to read by yourself or to pause and listen to the audio at this time. Unpause when you're ready to continue. All right, welcome back, my friends. So remember, we asked you to identify the who, what, when, where, why, and how, the big key components from the text From Here to There. We will talk about those in our live class later this week. I also have a few questions for you about your reading. You can return to our virtual classrooms to write your responses to these items. Please use complete sentences with proper capitalization and punctuation to show what good writers you are. The first question is, what problem did Dave Zanatal have to solve? What steps did the team go through to build the bridge? And why do people need bridges? And if you had been marking your text along as you read, looking for the who, what, when, where, why, and how, you probably already have the answers to these 3 items. So join our virtual classrooms to answer your 3 responses to think like a reader. And one more thing before you go. We're going to be doing a little bit of discussion in our small group writing when we are going to think now like a writer. How can this text about the bridge across the Colorado River help us in writing texts? We're going to be looking at a couple of things. First, we are going to be looking at the actions that move the story along. And for that, we should be paying attention and looking for the verbs in the article. We're also going to be looking for places where the author used transitions. I see some in paragraph 4 where the author uses the words first and next to help me follow along with what happens in the story. So these will be the pieces that we talk about when we come back together as a group to analyze this mentor text. And remember, you are going to be doing your own writing using the model From Here to There. Good luck with your reading, and we'll see you again for live class soon. Bye-bye.